The increasing share of e-mobility must be taken into account when planning district energy systems. In this video, I show you how you can create load profiles for e-mobility in nPro with just a few clicks. Hi and welcome to this nPro tutorial. I'm Marco, and in this video I show you how you can use nPro to create load profiles for e-mobility with an hourly resolution. Let's have a look at how that works in the tool.
On the landing page of the tool, we click on Load Profiles and Heat Network, then on New Project, and here we can choose a location and enter a name for the project. I just stick with the standard values and create a new project. We say Define New Building. Here we can add a building name, a floor area, a building type, that's important. Let's choose office building. There's a subtype always, in this case only existing or new build. And on the right hand side I can choose which demands I want to create. Here I say I want to have a e-mobility demand, and I say then insert default values. So nPro looks up in the database for an office building in Berlin that is new build. How large is the specific annual demand for space heating, domestic hot water, for cooling, and also for electricity. For e-mobility, it's really just a rough estimation. It depends strongly on the planning. How much e-mobility do you want to offer on this site, and then you can adjust the value, the total annual demand. For example, let's change that to 150, and you can also change the day profiles of the e-mobility. It's an office building here, so it makes sense that the load profile is pretty high for Monday to Friday. That's a red. These are the red bars here. And it's lower for the Saturday and even lower for Sunday and holiday. And the load profile is also, in the morning we have a peak, and then in the afternoon it decreases. These day profiles are used then for the calculation of the annual profile. I click on Calculate Demand Profiles and then on Show Hourly Profiles. And here we can analyze the profiles once again. It's a complete profile over the year. Here in the heat map plot, we see the same as we saw before, that in the morning there's a peak, but only if it's a work day, and on the weekends and on the holidays there's pretty low demand. Now I click on Add Building to District. It takes us up, and in this table we have now one building, the building 1. It's an office building as we defined it, and on the right we can delete the building, we can modify the building, we can download the profiles only for this building as an Excel file, and we can also have another look at the profiles and see the KPIs. If we go into the building details again, if we have multiple buildings in the district, then we can also click on Download Results. And here we can choose an Excel file with a summary of the district, or CSV file. There you can download all the load profiles for every building and for every demand with different time resolutions, for example hourly, daily or monthly, and also in different CSV formats.
If you have any questions or remarks about this video, feel free to leave a comment. If the video was helpful for you, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your interest, and see you next time.